Hi, welcome to this educational video. In this part, I want to teach you how to turn real pictures that took with cameras or artistic portraits into the pictures that look like paintings, as if they were drawn with a pencil and pen. In fact, converting real image into the black and white paintings in completely natural way that can be applied to any type of character or landscape. This method has many types. Thank you for paying attention and stay with me. Remember that if you want the background of your work to be close to the image of paintings on paper, it's better to choose or change the background if your character too white. It's important point and I want to say you. Okay, now my character is ready and my background is white too. First of all, I press Ctrl plus J to duplicate my layer. Then it's my background layer and this is my duplicate layer number 1. So I'm going to adjustment and create a new hue and saturation. I click it. Don't change anything. Everything is good. But actually only set saturation to -100. Like me. It's okay. Don't change anything. After that, come back to your layer and by press Ctrl plus I invert your picture. Or you can go to the image, click to the adjustment and click to the invert. Shortcut it becomes Ctrl plus I. And when you convert your picture to invert, every changing is invert. And it's an important part in your technique, you remember. After inverting, change your set mode. My mode is normal and I want to change it to color dodge. It's okay. As you see, my picture full white and you can't see anything. Don't worry and continue with me. Then go to the filter and go to the blur. The famous blur filter is Gaussian blur. Click it. So you can see a little part of your character. Set your Gaussian 50 is very much and not good. I put it to 20. I think it's good and you can change it to every number. The number I tell you are relative and you can increase or decrease them. Basically, pay attention to the technique and be remembered. Okay, I think 20 is good. I click OK. My layer number 1 is active, then I go to the adjustment and create a brightness and contrast. Okay. I change my brightness to there. I think -30 or 40 is good. My contrast to +40. Good. You can change every number as you want. I come back to my main layer. Now I want to merge all the adjustments layer and my main layer together. If you press Alt plus Shift plus Ctrl plus E, yeah, it's very keys in your keyboard, but it's important shortcuts and a little people know this. So I tell you again, if you press Ctrl plus Shift plus Alt plus E together, you can create a new layer, very nice, and it's merged adjustment layer and your main layer together. I changed this layer name, for example, to nice. My nice layer. Okay, and I put it top of every layer. Very good. This layer is almost the final layer. Very important. After that, right click on it and click to convert to a smart object. So that if I make a change or add a filter from now, I can remove this. Go to the filter and go to the noise and click to add noise. I want to add a little noise in my picture. Why? Because I want to near this article work to a drawing paper, a drawing picture. Set your description to uniform and you can change your noise from 9 to 11. I think I change it. For example, 9 is good. 9.9. Click OK. After that, I go to the filter again and go to the sharpen. And smart sharpen is the amount is 72. I think it's enough. And the radius 25. Radius noise is 100. It's fine too. And don't change or a little change. After that, click OK. Now give time to your Photoshop for this changing. Very good. So for the last part in my technique, set mode to a screen or multiply or every mode if you are think it's good. For example, it's a screen, not good for me and for my picture and for my character. Or multiply, it's good. Or darken. And color board, it's good. I chose multiply, it's good. And I can decrease a little fill, yeah, or a little opacity. Okay, I think it's done and I want to create a text here. For example, I want to write be gentle lifestyle. Okay, click tick. I change my font size to 200, then click enter and put it. I change my font, it's good, and I double click into my text layer. I want to create a little drop shadow there. Drop shadow, spread and size. No, it's good. 5 is okay. I think 5 is I think 2 is okay. And distance, good. In inner glow, I can put it to white and a little noise with 100 opacity. With lighten mode, I think it's good. You can set capital letter in your picture. Or not. I press Ctrl plus T and I press Shift in my keyboard and rotate it. Good. So by press Ctrl, I put it and I stretch it. Good. And a little there. Then click enter. Now I want to decrease my opacity. Yes. And decrease a little bit. Very good. It's like advertising poster or something else.